This is my 1995 Ford Mustang. I've had this thing since 1995, probably over 25 years. But I've been having problems with the power steering leaking out. I'm thinking it maybe is a rack and pinion or whatever, but every couple of weeks I have to put power steering fluid in it. And if you could tell when the power steering fluid is low, you will hear this squealing sound whenever you turn to the right or left. That means hey, your power steering is low. And if you run it too long and don't put anything in, you ain't gonna be able to turn the wheel. Right now, I'm driving it to where it don't have hardly any power steering fluid in. I could barely turn the wheel. So I'm gonna show you where the power steering fluid is and how to put it in this Ford Mustang and what I did to correct the problem. I took my car to the mechanic and he looked at it and he said, well, you got a leak in your rack and pinion. And he said, it's going to cost you about $500. And this is an old car. He said, if I was you, the first thing I would do is go to AutoZone and get some of that Blue Devil. It's a power steering stop leak. He said it's a little bit more expensive. So I went to AutoZone and I picked some of this up. It's like $12 for this. And they guarantee you whenever you ring it up, you have to enter all kind of information because they give you a warranty on this Blue Devil. So I actually tried it, and I was hoping it didn't work so I can return it and tell them, hey, this stuff didn't work, but it did work. It's been a month now, and it haven't leaked yet. I usually have to fill it up every 2 weeks or put some power steering fluid every 2 weeks. But I haven't put none in there in over a month, and there's no more leaks on the ground. So here go what you do. It's real simple. It says turn the engine off and pour about 1/3 of this into the power steering reservoir. Once you do that, you start the engine and run it for 2 hours and let it sit overnight. And if it continues to leak, do this again. And like I said, they guarantee this. He said if it don't work, bring it back. We would give you money. I said, okay. But as far as been a month now and I haven't had the leak, so I guess this stuff worked. So I'm gonna keep trying it. It's $12 is better than 500. So you guys give this a try, and if you want to purchase some, just look in the description below. All right, thank you and have a great day.